Okay, hello, hi. This is Rani Ahmed with you, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to configure your smart UPS, Electrys UPS 2500. This UPS has the following details, and this is it through a live video from my server room. Okay, this is the UPS here with this LED display, LCD display, whatever. So the details are here. So here you see it uses 4 batteries, 4 car-sized batteries. Okay, this is 48 volt. Okay, and it runs gives you 2 to 500 volt ampere. Okay, this is the top side of the UPS. Here at this side, when I just switch to the next picture, you see the controller. This is the serial port, which I read from the capacity of the battery and how much is still left for me to use from the batteries. And the UPS is supposed to be a backup power when the electricity is gone. Okay, when there's no power. Okay, so it backs up your computer with the power coming from the battery. Okay, so from DC to AC current. Okay, and when there is no electricity, okay, your computer through the serial port here of RS232. Okay, this is here male side and here's the female side. When there is no electricity, okay, the computer can know from the UPS that it is now on battery power. Okay, and when it's on battery power, you can just shut down the computer, or you can just wait until the battery charge is like when the battery is low, okay, on low capacity. So you can directly smoothly shut down the machine, shut down your computer without going through the loop of FSCK or scan disk, okay, to check the disk for corrupt files. Okay, and you can keep your hard drives, your expensive hard drives, working smoothly. Okay. Now, this is it when it's connected. Okay, the serial cable, it's connected to my server. Here it's on COM1, which is in Unix terms. The COM1 is, this is the website here of the manufacturer, okay, Electrys.net, okay, and there's their website here. Okay, so regarding the names COM port and COM1, okay, so on Unix or on Linux, you have /dev/dty s0 with a capital S is equivalent in Windows terms, or in Unix terms, or on DOS terms is COM1. COM2 is S1. COM3 is S2, and so on. Okay, but I only have just one COM port here. This side from the server, from my own server, is a female plug with a male socket. Okay, so now what we need is, first of all, is you have to go and log into your server, okay, and apt-get to install this tool called apt-get install NUT, network utility to UPS tools, network UPS tools. So the website is here. This is the main website. Okay, I really and seriously encourage you to read the documentation. It's very important. Okay, here, so I go to section 6 of the or chapter 6 of the documentation. Mainly you should start with the basic configuration at 6.2. okay, now on your server you should do what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm going to use the same host file of my laptop. Okay, you should edit your host file on the server, okay, not on the laptop. I'm just using my laptop for demonstration. Okay, my laptop has Linux and the server has Linux too. So for security reasons, I'm not gonna disclose my host file. Okay, so vi/etc, okay, or pico, whatever. I'll use pico for you. Maybe we are not that proficient in vi. So pico/etc/hosts. Okay, and please add your the network card Ethernet 0. Okay, on your Ethernet. Okay, add its IP. So put 192.168.1.2 and give it a name, so server. Okay, so when you next time you wanna ping the server, for example, like here, ping server, okay, it will ping like this. Okay, so make sure it does this. Okay, now and you press here Ctrl X to save the file. So press yes and press enter. Now here it will say to you on my own laptop permission denied, because I'm not using root user. So all your configurations from now on has to be on root user. Okay, I'll keep this, okay, just for explanation, but you must on your server here unlock them as root. Okay, please pico/etc hosts. Okay, now after that, I clear the screen just for readability. You go cd/etc/nut. Okay, now next thing you do is we list the file, and also please shut down the not server and not client scripts from because it's connected, or it was connected, now it's disconnected. Okay, so here the client stop. Also I'll clear the screen because I want to use the testing tools. Okay, so first of all you open the not file, so vi not.conf. okay, and please type this line as one word. Do not type it with the spaces. See, you must not use spaces around the equal sign. So the mode of the monitoring is a standalone. So you have a standalone UPS, and here says to you what does the what should you put after the mode equal. So it's either standalone or the word none or the word net server. Okay, please read the descriptions, very important. So it says I will use the standalone because I only have one and only one UPS protecting the system. Okay, now I will go like this and save the file, and next I will define my own UPS to the monitor. Okay, to the monitoring not. Okay, so not here. Sorry, it's not the nut.conf file. It is the ups.conf. Okay, and then go to the bottom, and I will first disable these lines. Okay, just to show you how it will automatically detect the server, the UPS. I mean, I will save them. Now, because I stopped the NUT server and NUT client, I can do this to test. So UPS drive control and start. Okay. See, now going back to by going back to the ups.conf file, I will be using those values. Now, the high voltage value should be 48. Okay, here he is guessing it. Okay, so the low voltage is 41. Okay, so I will go to the bottom, and because I'm using a serial port, so my driver has to be a blazer_serve. Okay, there's a manual for it, man blazer this one, and because I'm using COM port 1, okay, so this is the port in Unix, TTYS0. This is just a description. Now, if I go back, and you notice here it says that my protocol is MegaTek, so I can type the word MegaTek. Okay, here for more blazer_serve. This is how you put them. Okay, they are all mentioned here. Please read the manual. This one is very important. Okay, I'm gonna explain the things that makes my Electrys UPS work. So Okay, so here the protocol is megatech. Anything starts with a hashtag is a command. It's a disabled line. It will not be used by the monitoring. Yeah, it will not be digested by the monitoring tool of NUT. Okay, so here you remove this. You remove this. This is the high voltage for 8 volts, similar to what the server is saying here. Okay, where here in the UPS is saying here on the label. And the off delay is how much do you want to delay the shutdown, okay, of the UPS. Okay, so it will be 10 minutes. Okay, here 600 seconds. 600 seconds means 10 minutes. The runtime cal is like follows. Okay, imagine that somebody, or imagine the UPS as somebody who is, for example, a wrestler, okay, or yourself, for example, holding a you can hold, for example, as a maximum of 100 bags or maybe 100 rocks on a plate, big plate, okay, on a big tray. So how long can you hold, okay, for 100 rocks or 100 bags at once, okay, before you lose them, okay, before you let them go, okay, so before you give up, okay. So here on 100%, I'm saying I will give up after 700 seconds. So my UPS will give up providing power after 200 seconds, okay. Here on, if I am on 50% of my load, I will give up after this number of seconds, 14,400, okay. Now the charge time is how long the batteries will take, okay, to be fully charged, okay. The SD order is that if you have a number of UPSs that are going to shut down, okay, this is their order. If you have just only one UPS, just put it as -1, okay, and I will save. Now here, listening back again. So I have to also define my upsd.conf, okay. So this is where you will be listening for queries, okay, to query your UPS, okay, for the details, how much there is in the batteries, how much, what's the status of your UPS, okay. So I will go here and look for a line called listen. Okay, go here, add the IP of your server here, okay, so you can monitor it from anywhere. If you don't wanna monitor it from anywhere, just put this line, which is the local host. Okay, and you're done. So you'll be using your web browser like this, okay, and connecting to it. Now on the bottom there are things related to OpenSSL and the HTTPS protocol, okay. There's no need to configure them if you are just for your own sake, and it's local, okay. It's just for viewing, okay. So I'm gonna keep this disabled, okay. And now I can run upsd, okay, but before that I must configure the upsd user. So I say vi upsd.users, okay, and add a user. Every user comes between square brackets, the username. So I have upsmon, I have admin here. Because it's local, it does not matter to me, okay. I disabled it even. Okay, and you can put the actions, things like that, you know. Okay, and there's a very important thing, whether it's a master or a slave monitoring. Okay, so this user will be used with this line here, as it says, okay, in the upsmon.conf. Okay, we'll see what's the meaning of the master or slave when I explain this line. Okay, so I save. Okay, and by the way, just before I go, remember that this is your password here, equal pass. Okay, now quit Now I will go to upsmon.conf and I will look for this line monitor. Okay, again one more time. Here, please read the comments here inside the file just to remind you how to do it. Okay, how to write in this file. So what you should do is write monitor here in caps. Okay, and UPS at server, which means my UPS, which is the one that was in the ups.conf as UPS, like this. Okay, which is at my server. Cool. So that's why I type UPS at server. This is the number of UPSs I'm talking about, and I'm monitoring. And this is the username and password, or this one, same. And this is whether it's this server or this UPS is a slave or a master. And here master means that this system will shut down last, allowing the slave's time to shut down first. Okay, so you have so many UPSs. This one will be, if it's master, will be the last one. Okay, slave means to shut down the system critically when its power goes critical. Okay, so shut down, I mean quickly, not critically, sorry. So because I have just only one UPS, okay, master is not as important as a slave, because I want to shut down the server right on. Okay, now minimum supplies is how many UPSs. This is the shutdown command, how to shut down the command the server. Okay, when the battery is low. And this is the notify command. So for example, you want to send an email by any of the following events here in the bottom. So notify message. Okay, you have a %s. Okay, %s, and the %s replaces the the UPS name. Okay, UPS at server. Okay, so it depends on what you want. The notify flag will tell you here, for example, syslog plus wall. Okay, and whether how do you want to notify? So this is the notify flag. So when it's online, or whether it's on battery, however, I mean the events of the UPS. So when it's online, for example, you want to send a message to the syslog and another to the wall. Okay, there is exec to execute. Okay, the notify command above. Okay, just add them like this: syslog plus wall plus exec, for example. Okay, so that's all, and that's it. Okay, I will quit. I'm not gonna save it because I mean it's already configured on my own system. Now that's all. So I have to run upsd. Okay, now it's connected. So I use the command upsc ups at server just to get all the details. So it says to me here it's 100%. See, this is 100% charge. This is, I'm telling you, it is like this. Okay, now let me check the ups.conf. If I removed all these. Okay, cool, great. Now I will go and unplug the UPS from the wall. Okay, and I will kill also the UPS drive control stop, and kill also the UPSD, because I want to use D, and I want to use now the init scripts, startup scripts of my not server start and the client also. Cool. Now I will go and unplug the UPS. You will see me here unplugging the UPS, and you will see also a notify message here, okay, a broadcast message that that the UPS is now unplugged, okay. Okay, you see now it's on battery, okay. So if we wait, or if you wait, okay, for like 5 minutes, okay, I will use this while loop, okay. So is this one? Okay, this is my own code. It has nothing to do with NUT. Okay, so it will tell you that as long as it's flashing, okay, and clearing the screen, okay, with the date, that the UPS is still 100%, okay. The battery on the UPS is still 100%. We have to wait like 5 minutes, okay, and after 5 minutes this flashing will stop, okay. The screen flashing or the terminal flashing will stop. Cool. I want to keep the video running for 5 minutes for you just to feel it, okay. And I will go back, and you will see to the server room, and you will see that the UPS, okay, is saying that the computer can run now normally, okay, on normal power, okay. So the UPS will be back online. It will say that. Now there, I tried two programs, okay, to run them. There is one called WinPower, and there's another one that came with the UPS. It's called Epsilon 2000. Both are not working, okay. The UPS, the Epsilon 2000, just give me sends a test message, okay, to the UPS, and that's it. I could not read anything from the UPS, from power and things like that. Okay. So we all you have to do is just wait and wait and wait. There's nothing to do. Okay, I don't have anything to say to you. The UPS is perfect. Okay, it works just fine, and it's awesome. Okay, that's all I can say. And it's old. Remember, it's old and it's working. I'm still waiting. Okay, we're about to finish. It's not gonna take long. It's like, as I said, just like 5 minutes. Okay, now it's stopped, so we can see again here. See, it's now 99%. I'll go back, okay, and you will see a broadcast message from the server when I plug back the power of the UPS, okay, that it's back online, and that's it. Okay, now everything is fine, and thanks for watching. Bye.